Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to create a folder on Dropbox. If you want to create a folder on Dropbox but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Dropbox app on the device. So if you have not installed the Dropbox app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you just need to open Dropbox, and this is the home page of Dropbox where you'll see the option of home, files, photos, account, and all. But before creating an account, make sure that you are already logged into the Dropbox account. So if you are not logged in, you won't be able to create the folder like this. So on the home page or in the file section, if you click on the option of plus like this, here you'll see the option of upload files, upload folder, upload photos, create folder, create file, and all of it. So click on the option of create folder, and you just need to give a folder your name and click on the option of create. So that's it. That's how you can create a folder on Dropbox. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.